In this question, you're asked to write the number 3.14063 to 3 decimal places. To answer a question like this, the first thing I do is identify the third decimal number, and that would be the 0. Now I will draw a dotted line between the 0 and the 6. Now I will look to the number to the right of that line, and since this number is 6, which is greater than 5, I will round up the number to the left of that line, which is 0. So my correct answer for this question would be 3.141, and in that case my answer is B. Now if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and comment below. Questions like these will be posted weekly on YouTube. You can see the solutions by clicking the scroll icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now to access these slides, you will have to visit my website at knowledgescroll.com. In particular, you would have to go to exam preparation, and here you can see the slides on the website. You can scroll through, and just like I said before, if you click this icon in the bottom left hand corner, you'll be taken to the solution to the question on YouTube.